Alright, David Harry here, and I've just had a really early visit from Father Christmas. Right, he brought me an eagle-eyed action man, the one with the grippy hands, also with that backpack gyrocopter thing, and the other backpack thing that takes those little tiny weird coloured discs so we can talk. I got a TCR racing set. Let's see. Oh, and also a Scale Electrics racing set, and the best present of all, an original Malibu Barbie. What's that all about? Anyways, I know you're just sitting there going, Dave, you're full of crap. We all know this because the Malibu Barbie originals are rare as Now, what it is, right, I got some stuff here. As per the title of this video, I'm upgrading from this, which, no, isn't just a red mess with Devo written all over it. It is actually a red mess with Devo written all over it and an ultra well-worn iPad Air 2 on the inside. So I'm going from that to this. And what this is, in case you don't know, because I know it does look like some arty-farty print inside of a picture frame or something, but this is an iPad Air Mark II Pro something, 2020, 11-inch, something like that. Anyways, what I'm going to do here is get into a quick unboxing. I won't overlabour the points or nothing and do one of my usual long-ass, boring, really long-winded something or another's, because let's face it, the world and her husband has already done a billion of these anyway, but I'm going to do it anyway because I'm so excited about this. And by the miracle of modern technology, by which what I really mean is a simple cut in a video timeline, I'm onto this thing here. Now what it is, the lights are going to be glaring and stuff. I think the picture's wonky and all kinds of things here. It might not even be in focus, I don't know. So what I'm going to do is just get right into it, because honestly I just want to open this up, get a bit of juice in it and do some stuff dead quick with it. Right, let me just get this knife and in my haste not slice my fingers off. Hold on. Look at this, my hand's shaking and everything. I shouldn't be opening boxes. Well, I don't know about not opening boxes, but I definitely shouldn't have sharp objects in my hand with the kind of mood that I'm in at the moment. Right, hold on. Hold on, wait a minute. Do you know what? I should have had a quick pint or something before doing this just to calm my nerves down. I'm so looking forward to this. And also as well, at the end of this video, I'm just going to give it a little bit more detail about the fact I'm about to order one of the new Samsung tablets as well. Samsung iPad, I nearly said there. Imagine that. As if Apple are going to license iPads to Samsung. Right, so there's that weird glossy thing off the front. Right, so now for the reveal. Oh, open up, will ya? Get out. There we go. Wait there, hold on. Ta-da! Look at that. Now, let me just pull this out a second. Hold on. Let's see what's in the box. Right, in here we've got... Oh, do you know what? No one's interested. Right, there's a cable. And there's like a power brick and stuff like that. And nothing else in the box. Right, so what I'm going to do here... Let me just unwrap this. Yeah, let me do that thing that some of those like real Ponzi YouTubers do. You know, where they put stuff up to the mic and go, now listen to the way it sounds when I unpeel the wrapper. Actually, that probably sounds a bit more like Tim Cook. Hold on. Oh, did you hear that? Oh, I got shivers down my spine. Right, I was going to say something else then, but that would have been way too much and far too rude. Hold on, wait a minute. Right, so there we go. There's the back of an iPad Pro 2020 11-inch. Look, there we go. There's the front of it. All right, do you know what? Honestly, I'm going to say it. I've just creamed me pants, honestly. It's amazing. This feels awesome. Oh, my God. Oh, do you know what? I could think of a million other things that I would rather not have in my hands right now. And two of the things that I'm thinking of are probably a little bit more delectable than this. Right, so what I'm going to do, let me just power this on and put some stuff into it and I'll come back after I've done it. Hey, check it out. Okay, so here we go then. Right, here's my iPad now. I've put it in this case and stuff. And what I've got here as well, this is not the one that I've just shown you before. This is an iPad Air 1 here as well. The reason why I'm doing it like this and not the other one is because this hasn't got a cracked screen and stuff like that. Right, so what it is, I'm not going to labour the point here or anything like that. But the reason why I'm going to just show these two things side by side is because, and I won't get into it too much because I'm going to do a number of different videos talking about various things and getting dead boring about all this. But what it is, these iPad Airs, right, they've been perfect for me size-wise. Now, the reason why I'm just putting them up that, oh, look at this, I've got crud all over the screen already. I'm making it worse. What am I doing? No, what am I doing? No, not continue. What are you doing? Oh, I've never used iPad OS, so I don't know what I'm doing. Right, so what it is here, the reason why I'm showing it like this, just quickly, is because the main draw for me for getting the 11-inch one, and I will do a full video about the reasons for the 11-inch, but the Airs, I've lived with these for ages, and the perfect size for me. Don't get me wrong, I'm not a huge fan of the aspect ratio, but the machines are amazing. But anyways, this one here is probably, for me personally, for my particular usage, this is the perfect size. Now, the reason why I went for the 11 is because I knew it wasn't going to be like a ton bigger than this one. Now, I'm not going to stick it on the top of it and stuff like that, but here's the thing. The 11 here is only a little bit bigger than this, really, as far as the overall tablet is concerned. But as you can see there, the difference in the screen size, the visible screen, is friggin' awesome. So I'm going to have a tablet here which is not that much bigger size-wise than what I'm used to, and which for me personally is like the best size. But because of the bezel ratio and stuff like that and the screen size on this one, it's got a way bigger picture on it. This is gonna be an absolute massive wet dream come true. It's awesome. Anyways, there's one last quick thing here as well. Right, you know when people were going on about like, oh yes, and like once you've gone 120 hertz, you'll never go back. Right, and I don't know if you're like me, but you're sitting there, I was sitting there going, shut up, you're talking bollocks, come on, it's just like 68 is well good enough. Now here's the thing, right, watch this. Now on the screen, because obviously when you see these things on YouTube, you can't tell the difference, right? But, so obviously this one's here is 60, this is 120 hertz. Now, if I do this and start moving it like that, you're looking at that going, yeah, they both look the same. Well, they will do because, you know, one, I'm playing in 25 frames a second anyway, but even if I was playing at 60, it still wouldn't pick up the temporal differences between the two frequencies that these are operating at. But you know what? No, when I do this like that, seriously, this one looks juddery compared to, honestly, you can't see this, but honestly, you use 120 hertz display like this, it's mental. It's a huge difference. Honestly, you can really feel it and see it. It's mad as, oh, I was gonna swear I can't. Anyways, listen, I'm gonna have to dive off, right, because there's just so many things I've got to do with this. Now, just quickly, I suppose, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this the S7 as well. I'm going to get the smaller S7 for pretty much the same reasons why I've got the smaller iPad and whatnot. So, over the next month or so, I mean, definitely starting from today, there's going to be more to do with the iPad Air, the 2020 and stuff. But over the next few months, because don't forget, I just bought myself one of those HD10 Amazon tablets as well. So, maybe for the next month or so, I'm just going to go mad doing things about tablets. I think I might have to turn around and call me channel like something like, I don't know, Dave the Tablet, or actually no, best I didn't do that. Make me sound like a drug dealer from the early 90s hanging around raves. No, what I'm going to do is a ton of stuff about these things, and rather than do me long ass boring videos that I usually do, I'm going to try and do stuff where I pick on like one aspect, so like a particular cable and how you plug it in, say, into an HDMI monitor or telly, how to wire up, I don't know, keyboards and all the things that like a lot of people already know. But it's always good to have that stuff out there because there's always a lot of people who don't know these things. So I'll try and pick a whole bunch of little quick videos to try and do. Anyway, I've gone and done my usual thing, rabbited on like a complete and utter big dickhead and not got off when I should have done. So anyways, I'm Dave. Sorry. If you've liked this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, give it a massive thumbs up because apparently all these things help the YouTube algorithm, although I think that's a pile of crap. What's the other one? Oh yeah, click that bell notification icon thing and all the rest of it. Oh, sorry. Right, I'm getting off. I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.